So this is the story which you're going to say?
Yeah. The union is friends. Yeah, the same thing.
Ah,
Same thing only.
okay, let's start, ma'am.
Yeah. You all have seen pigeons, no? All of it. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can see two children there
Yeah,
on my screen.
because we could see the bigger picture of this, no? The hunter and doves, everything.
No. The two children I can see on my screen.
Hmm.
Two kids. I can see them on my screen. You have not closed their video. I can see them.
Which
Is it
kids?
okay?
Yeah,
I
let it
don't know
be.
their name.
Uh-huh.
It's okay? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's okay.
ठीक है.
Please, please.
Because, okay. You all have seen the pigeons flying. In the evenings, they go back to their house, round and round and round. They make formation in a different way, like this. The pigeon family, excuse me, I'm not able to see myself.
Ma'am, okay, I'm just stopping the screen.
Yeah, because when I say, I know what expression I'm giving.
Please, start.
Yeah, okay, take it. So when the pigeons go move around like this formation over the sky, when you see, it's so beautiful in the evenings. They go back to their nest. The pigeon family only, we have dove. You must have heard of the bird's dove. Okay. The flock of doves flew far away from their home in search of food. They flew miles and miles and miles and miles. They could not find anything to eat. Tired. When you go walk for a long time, don't you feel tired? The same way, the pigeons were so tired. They were hungry also. They were flying over a forest. उसमें छोटू सा pigeon जो है, that the dove said to the king of the pigeon dove, I am so tired. I can't fly anymore. Can we rest a bit? Can we rest for some time? I cannot fly. So the king of the dove said, Oh, come, little one. Be brave, replied the king. We are sure to find some food for us to eat. Fly, bird, fly, little bird, fly along with us. Fly, bird, fly, little bird, fly. When the king pushed him, he gave the confidence to the fly. Suddenly, it flapped its wings and flew ahead of all the other doves. It flew ahead and it flew so fast and it went near over the hill and saw somewhere that there were grains of rice on the ground. He turned to their friends and to the king said, Please come here, follow me, come here. I found the grains here. We can eat. So all of them flew, came near, and the doe came down and started eating the grains. Slowly, they were eating the grains. So nice. They were eating. Suddenly, they found they were trapped by a net. And they were so shocked and saw a big hunter was coming towards them like this. Was coming towards them to catch them. Then the king of the doves, when he saw all the other doves were so sad and scared, he thought, what do I do now? We all will have to save our lives. I'll have to save the children's life, the dove's life. So told the dove, let's have an idea. What you all do is, you just cling to the net. Hold on to the net. We will fly together. Together we will fly. Let us be strong enough to be together. When we are together, we can achieve what we want. So the other dove heard the king's thing. Then they held on to their net with their beak. They bit it. They held on, and all of them, along with the net, started flying high. By the time the hunter came and wanted to grab them, grab the net, touch it, I'm getting so many pigeons for me to eat. And when he saw, he could not catch them. And the birds all together flew high. And the hunter thought, after some time, they will be tired, and along with the net, they will fall down. Then I can take it. And along with the birds were flying the air, along with the net open and down. The hunter was flying hard. After some time, the birds thought, he cannot follow us. Now we have gone high up, over the hills, over the dales. And when they reached the mountain, they turned back. They could not see the hunter. Hunter was tired. He lost the hope catching them. He was amazed to see all of them together in the net, along with the net flying. Now there is no use running. I am going to be so tired. I am very tired. Let me stop. So he stopped, and when they flew from there, they could see the hill, and on the hill, the king dove told the others, I have a friend, mouse friend, near the city of temples. We will go to the city of temples. It is there. We'll call the mouse, and he'll help us out. Okay, other dove also said, yes, we'll go to city of temples. Then they reached, zwink, they reached with a thud. The mouse which was there, it heard the sound of the thud and came near and saw, oh my God, what is this? All the pigeons along with the net, what is happening? And then the king of the doves told the mouse, please help me, please help us. The hunter put the net, please with your little teeth, bite, and then please. Okay, I will help you, and then I will take you out of the net. Come. The king of the doves said, no. First, take care of my little ones. Then you release me. And the mouse thought, oh my, they are so nice. The king of the dove wants his children, the small little dove, to be released first, and then him. He thought of the good thing of the king of the dove, and with his little teeth, he bit the nets and released one by one. All the pigeons came out, and finally the king came out, and they all thanked the mouse and tried, and all of them showed their happiness by flapping their wings like this, and they had to fly away. They flew away by singing a song. La 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 la. You also sing, all of you together. La 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 la. Can you please put the audio?
Are you on the
Happily,
audio? Yeah.
Yes. Let
Now
us all
everybody
sing.
can sing. हाँ.
Yes. Okay.
Mummy,
They
teacher
flew.
बोलता निकाल से गया.
We flew. They flew.
La
Sim-
la la
Yes.
la
La la la la la la la la la la la la. Right? When we are happy, we sing like this, no? La 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 la. Like that. The birds, the dove, they said la 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 la.
म्यूट करी.
Thank you.
सब लोग ला 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 ला.
They were so
तो
happy.
टीचर
Thank you.
ये पहले क्लास में भी आई हुई रहती है. टीचर पहले क्लास में भी आई हुई.
चलो.
Yes.
Now I'm
Thank
muting
you so
everybody.
much. Yeah.
Yeah. So Revati ma'am, you just unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. So now who is going to tell me the story which madam has just now told us the story?
Just
Can-
one word or two words also enough.
Can anybody narrate the same in simple way? Raise your hands and I'll unmute.
In any language.
In any language. Either it can be Hindi, English, Telugu or Marathi. Pick up any language but tell me the same story what madam has told.
Unity is the strength is the moral.
Okay, we have here Shobana. Just a minute. Where has she gone? Okay. Okay, Shobana, tell the story. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Now tell the
Oh,
story.
such a smiley face.
Hmm.
टीचर
Now
in Hindi we can tell ना टीचर.
Hindi also you can tell. कोई भी भाषा में बोलो. वो
हिंदी
story.
टीचर.
हाँ तो हिंदी में बोलो ना.
सिंधी गुजराती.
Okay, tell
Bolo,
it
bolo,
Gujarati.
bolo.
बोलो गुजराती में बोलो.
I understand Gujarati.
हाँ बोलो गुजराती में बोलो.
I understand Gujarati. Being in Maharashtra, so we try to get to understand all the languages to a certain extent.
टीचर मुझे डालो निशाए स्टोरी. एक गांव में एक इंसान येंदो हुओ. मुंजा वो दोस्त हुआ. मुंजा मापी रेशम नंदा हुआ.
जो see the confidence, at least they can say 2-3 lines. See, say 2-3 lines is enough.
चलो next
Enough,
anybody
enough. Let
else?
them-
Any two lines. We can start with two lines. कोई भी
What
दो
you
lines
liked
बोलते
in
जाओ.
this? What
अच्छा,
you liked in the story?
इस स्टोरी में आपको क्या पसंद आया?
बस that
Anybody?
question is enough. क्या पसंद आया?
अच्छा ठीक है. यहाँ पे इस बच्चे को मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ. माधवी राय दिखाओ क्या पसंद आया आपको. हाँ बोलो.
मैम एकता में बल है.
वाह, एकता में बल है. गुड. एकता में बल है, हमें मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए.
अरे वाह,
हाँ.
वाह, what a the thing he is telling. एकता में बल है. बस.
Anybody else?
He's telling I am not able to understand.
Who is telling?
He's
अच्छा ठीक है.
something he's saying something.
ओके
He's saying
मैं आपको
something.
अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ. आप बताओ. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
क्या
हमें
पसंद?
का सामना करना चाहिए.
हमें
हमेशा मुश्किल का सामना करना चाहिए.
ओके हमें
अरे वाह,
हमेशा
वाह, वाह.
मुश्किल का सामना करना चाहिए. गुड.
Good. Say 1 or 2 sentences, that's more than enough.
यस. और कोई बोलना चाहता है? वेरी गुड.
Excellent.
भावेश क्या हो गया? शांत क्यों है तू? कम ऑन टेल समथिंग. यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और तेलुगु ऑल्सो. व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टूड इन दिस स्टोरी? Unmute yourself. Bhavesh, unmute yourself.
अरे वाह, they know to unmute, mute.
अरे मैम, they know more
हम
than
लोग को भी, yeah.
yeah. Come on, Bhavesh, unmute yourself and start telling.
जो भी, what he likes in this.
Yeah. What did you
इसमें
understand
क्या
in this? बताओ.
क्या
Any two
पसंद
lines.
आया?
क्या
क्या
पसंद
पसंद
आया?
आया?
What did you like? ఈ స్టోరీలను ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు?
You should be very intelligent.
अरे वाह.
Excellent. Good. Good.
Good. So yeah, this 1 or 2 lines is enough because it will be difficult for them to narrate it.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
ईश्वर, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ईश्वर, आपने क्या सीखा इस स्टोरी में? क्या पसंद आया? ఏ నచ్చింది ఈ స్టోరీలో?
Mouse पसंद आया, birds पसंद आया, king पसंद आया, little dove पसंद आया, कौन सा पसंद आया?
बर्ड्स पसंद आया. ठीक है.
Birds पसंद आया. Very good. ऐसे कुछ हम लोग छोटे-छोटे पूछेंगे. Then we want them to just
Yes.
respond. That's it. Yeah.
Right. Then who we have? We have your Gayatri. Gayatri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell. What did you like in the story? क्या पसंद आया? हमें हमेशा हमें हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. वेरी नाइस.
अरे वाह, एक्सेलेंस. क्या क्या उनको मन से आ रहा है देखिए.
बिल्कुल.
वेरी नाइस.
ओके, हेमंत वी हैव ये. हेमंत, अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो.
कर रहे
बोलो हेमंत, क्या पसंद आया?
तो बोलो.
कुछ तो बोल. बर्ड्स
कुछ
पसंद आया,
भी.
पिजन पसंद आया, हंटर पसंद आया, कहानी पसंद आई. 5 ऑप्शन
माउस
दिए मैंने.
माउस पसंद आया.
माउस पसंद आया. अब इस 5 में से एक चीज बताओ.
ओके.
क्या पसंद आया?
तुम कौन रहना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? Little dove or king dove or mouse or the hunter? What do you want to become? If there is a play. Can you hear me?
Yes, he can hear you, but it will take some time for these kids to come up.
Yeah. Suppose ड्रामा किया, ठीक है? तो ड्रामा किया तो तुमको कौन सा पार्ट लेना चाहते हो? छोटू सा डव, किंग डव और द माउस और द हंटर, कौन सा पार्ट तुमको अच्छा लगता है?
बच्चे लगते हैं वाले बच्चे इन तो कच्चे न पर वाले.
बोलो हेमंत.
तुम कौन बनना चाहते हो?
सबको
छोटा डव? हाँ, कौन बनना चाहते हो तुम ड्रामा में? माउस, हंटर? बोलो, मुंह से बोलो. हंटर और किंग डव और लिटिल डव, क्या बनना चाहते हो?
किंग डव.
किंग डव. क्यों? क्यों? क्यों किंग डव? He is taking care of others, इसीलिए सबको इंटेलिजेंटली बात करता है, इसीलिए. क्यों? ठीक है, at least he said kingdom. I'm happy.
Next. Anybody else want to talk? Or should we? Acha, yeah, we have Shweta. I'm just unmuting her.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shweta.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, beta.
Hi. You listened to the story this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Last time you were late, no?
Yes, ma'am.
First story you did not hear, you came late. Yes. How I
Yes, ma'am.
remember. How I remember. Yes,
Excellent.
Shweta. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
This time you heard the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who do you like in the story? Who do you like?
Mouse.
Mouse you liked. Kyun? Why?
वो भगवान के तरह रहता है, हम उनको पूजा करते हैं इसलिए।
इसीलिए। एंड ये स्टोरी में माउस का क्या काम था?
हाँ,
ये स्टोरी में माउस का क्या काम था?
माउस ने
क्या
क्या किया
किया?
इस स्टोरी में?
किसको हेल्प किया?
बर्ड्स को।
बर्ड्स को हेल्प किया। कैसे हेल्प किया?
वो बर्ड्स फंस गया
हाँ
तो उनको
हाँ,
हेल्प किया।
हेल्प किया कैसे?
उसके दांतों से वो
हाँ,
हमको
यस, एग्जैक्टली
Hmm.
एग्जैक्टली। क्लैप क्लैप क्लैप
Good,
क्लैप।
good, good.
वेरी गुड श्वेता,
ठीक.
एक्सीलेंट।
थैंक
So
यू
now
मैम।
let us move to the next story. ठीक है?
Okay, now homework will be given towards the end, right?
In the end, we will give.
Yeah, yeah.
So now we will go to the next story.
Okay, thank you.
So the second story we have, just a minute, ma'am. It is the lion and the talking cave.
Yeah. See, this is the Panchatantra book. Which book is? I can see Shweta.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I will spotlight you.
Shweta is, yeah, Shweta is in the full screen.
Hmm.
Yes. Is it, can you see it or is it
Yes.
ulta?
No.
Or is it
Yeah,
ulta? I can see it.
This is perfect.
Perfect, no?
Hmm.
This is the Panchatantra book. Next time when I get an opportunity, a पंचतंत्र क्या होता है, पंचतंत्र का कहानियां क्यों लिखा गया, कौन लिखा गया, किस बात के लिए लिखा, वो सब नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं स्टोरी करने बोलने आऊंगी तब बताती हूँ। आज खाली हम लोग वो भी पंचतंत्र का था, ये भी पंचतंत्र का है। और ये पंचतंत्र स्टोरी में ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम लोग को लायंस, इंसेक्ट्स, बर्ड्स ऐसे रहता है। ओके ओके, नाउ in a big jungle, okay, there was a lion. The lion, have you seen a old lion? Have you seen a old lion who was weak? Have you seen a old lion? Have you seen a old lion who was weak? He was so weak. He has become so old. So he could not do much. He was not that ferocious, but still he had to eat. He did not get his prey for 2 days. He was very hungry. He tried to look for food everywhere, here and there, but he did not get food. He was singing, thinking to himself, I am hungry, I am hungry, I am hungry just now. I am hungry, I am hungry, I am hungry just now. Thinking I'm so hungry, he was wandering in the jungle. Yahan, wahan, idhar, udhar. And suddenly he came across a cave. Then he thought, there must be some animal inside the cave. When it comes out, let me eat it. I found my prey. I found something. Let me eat. Let me stand outside. Let me wait outside and hide behind the bush. There's a lot of bushes. Let me hide behind the bush. And when the animal comes out of the cave, let me up. I'll pray and then I'll eat. My food will be there. I will, my stomach will be full. He was little happy. He was waiting and waiting. Nobody came out of the cave. I was thinking, Arey, no one has come out. So then what do I do? Thought, okay, maybe there is nobody inside. Let me go inside the cave and wait inside and when the animal which has gone out, when it comes in, pounce on him and eat it. So he went inside the cave. When he went inside the cave, was waiting again, waiting, and his hunger becomes so bad. When we go walk for a long time, we also feel hungry. The same, he was waiting, he was hungry now. He said he was so tired because of the hunger. He said, I am hungry, I am hungry. What will I eat? I don't have anything. I am hungry. I am hungry. So he was getting, and also he was getting irritated. Maybe let me wait. And suddenly that he was waiting, and there lived a fox. And the fox wanted to come back to its cave. The cave belongs to the fox. The fox, while it was coming, walking and coming, it saw the pug mark, that is the footprints of the animal. Then the fox thought, Hurry, the footprints, the pug marks are going towards my cave. What is happening? And when he saw it again properly, then he is a clever, intelligent fox, right? So what he thought, hey, the footprints belong to the lion, must be inside my cave. So what do I do? If I go into my house, that is the cave, then the lion will eat me up. Then let me have an idea. Let me think. He thought for a while. And he got an idea. He thought, let me say, oh, my dear cave, I have come back. Talk to me, my dear cave. He sang like this, and the cave did not speak. The lion inside thought, if I speak, the fox will come to know. Let me be quiet, silent. So the lion silently, he was inside. Then outside the fox thought, why it is so silent? Again it sang, my dear cave, talk to me. I have come back. Then again the lion was quiet. Then again the fox thought, no, the animal which is inside is not replying. Let me do something different. So what it did? Cave, you're not talking to me. You're being silent. I'm angry now. Let me go away. If you don't talk to me, I will run away from here. I will not come here. Then the lion inside, oh my God, because of the silence, the fox is being quiet. If he runs away, I will not get food. So I must speak. So the lion said, I am here. Please come inside. I am here. Please come inside. I'm happy to receive you. I'm happy to receive you. Please come back. When the lion said this, the fox understood. Oh my God, the lion is inside. So immediately he told the lion which is inside, thank you for talking to me. Am I a fool after listening to your voice to come inside the cave? You do what you want. I am going away. I am going away. La 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 la. Bum chicka 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 bum 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 chicka bum 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 bum. Happily the fox saved its life and ran fast because it was happy. It started dancing himself. Bum chicka bum 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 chicka bum 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 chicka bum 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 bum. The lion came out. Was so sad. Oh my God. I thought that I am so clever. I am the foolish person. Now again, I will not get food. I'll have to go back to my den being hungry. So with a sad face, he started walking slowly. One side it is sad lion, hungry lion. There, the happy fox. Again, bum chicka bum 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 bum. Jum jum bum 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 bum. Bum chicka bum chicka rum chicka bum chicka rum chicka bum bum. Happily he ran away. Run 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 run. Thank you. You all like the story? Let them speak. Sing
Yes,
along
yes,
with me.
yes.
Bum
So,
chicka bum 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 bum. Let them sing
okay.
once at least along with
Okay,
me.
I'll just unmute everybody. Yes, now you can ask
Yeah.
them.
Yeah. Yes. Along with me. Be happy and sing. Bum chicka bum chicka bum bum bum. Chicka bum bum. Bum chicka bum chicka bum bum.
Bum chicka bum chicka bum bum. Bum chicka bum chicka bum bum bum.
Bum. Bum chicka bum bum bum. Bum chicka bum chicka bum 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 bum. Very nice. Thank you. You all like the story?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay, thank you.